Dobrodošli, drage dame in gospodje, drage punce in fantje, dragi mladoletniki in mladoletnice, dragi gospodje in gospodkinje, dobrodošli na zatvoritveni ediciji Feka 2019. Fajn, lepo. In kako ste kaj? Super, ja? Ok. Še kdo? Kako? Ok, to je ime, ne čustvo, veš? Ampak nekaj pa je, hvala ti. Ja, super, hvala vam, da ste prišli na ta zatvoritveni dogodek, da se malo podružimo med sabo. And now I will continue in English. So, woohoo! Let's go, the English language. We continue in English, so also our international guests can understand. We were planning to open the ceremony with an amazing improv theater piece, but unfortunately we have no time. We ran out of time because there's so much program going on here, so much culture. It's like too much culture, so we had to take some of the culture out. Hope you understand, and please enjoy the films. They say a good film is like a short poem. So for you, I'm gonna recite a short poem that our famous director Micha Možina wrote. So please give a round of applause for Micha Možina, the director. The Song About Fake by Micha Možina.
No, it's not about fake. I can explain. It should be more about, like, tonight it's all about the short films, and Frank was also so inspired by this fake festival.
Yes.
That he also wanted to do a short film, but the only thing he can do is maybe rhyme. So he will now do his short film in the...
He will now do his short film that I ghostwritten for him,
yes.
And try to beat all the other fake films. That's it.
Yes. So I'm doing the movie now? Okay. The song as it goes. Silence, please. The resurrection of the new pro-fic. Your films, bite-sized. Nobody can oppose me. Let's see you try. I eat slow fic for breakfast. Shimit sarai. I am here to win a fight, but the price not right. Fake budget, hella tight. I'll give you that X-uology, brate. X-uology belongs to that internet archaeology. Brate, we used to be, we deunionized, neoliberalized, climate sacrificed, devoured on a gold platter of corruption, Western appetites. We X you, but if you ask me, we should bury our axes. We can be allies. Now let's excavate. The new axis, we unite, fight together for the human right, or at least create some short films. Revolution will be televised. Thank you. Now, enough of this jibber-jabber. I invite the program director and the director of this film, Fake Festival, to give us a few words. Welcome, please, to the stage, Peter Cerošek and Mateusz Multierman.
Z Matevžem sva želela napisati en govor za zatvoritveno slovesnost, pa sva ga malo pihnila, tako da govora nimava, ampak bomo probala malo zimprovizirati. Se pravi, ni še zares konc feka, jutri je še en dan, imamo še dva programa, ampak pred nami so tudi podelitev nagrad in še kaj lepka.
Okay, I'll do a short recap in English. We were supposed to have a speech, but we don't, and we blew it in this way as well. So we're really overwhelmed after 5 days. We're almost there. There's another day in front of us, but tonight is kind of the climax of the festival. And Peter will say a few more words, and then I will say a few words again.
Zdaj sem malo razmislil. Se pravi, zahvaliti se moramo najprej vsem gostom, ki so prišli, mednarodnim gostom, domačim gostom, ki so pokazali svoje filme, ki so vodili workshope, in potem se moramo zahvaliti gledalcem, ki so vztrajali tudi v dežnih kapljah. Zahvaliti se moramo celotni ekipi, partnerjem.
Okay. We would really like to thank, first of all, the filmmakers, because the festival is all about them, and thank them for the films. Thank you to all of our this year's guests who are part of the competition program, Fake Industry Days, part of our workshops, also to all the participants. So there are so many people that we would like to thank that we don't have time to do it properly, but you know who you are, and especially a big shout out to you, the audience, who make it worthwhile to do it. And yeah.
In preden še bolj zamočil tale govor, bo predala besedo Petru Franklu.
Cero and Multi! Lepa, mlada, negovana, prijetna sogovornika. Sedaj pa kratke na kratke. Začeli bomo z razglasitvijo nagrad žirije filmskih kritikov, Critics Jury, ki jih podeljujemo z društvom Fipresci Slovenija. Fipresci. Ja, Fipresci. Se upravičujem. Fipresci Slovenija. Vabimo filmski kritičarki Ano Šturom, Jasmino Šepetavac in kritika Marka Stojilkoviča.
Dober večer, tudi v imenu kritiške žirije. Tudi mi ne bomo dolgovezali, pa bomo kar podelili prvo nagrado, in sicer je to nagrada za najboljši film v tekmovalnem programu Fake You. Najprej obrazložitev. Kompleksen in premišljen film, ki s stapljanjem različnih umetnosti in tehnik precizno vizualizira delo, življenje in filozofijo navdihujoče protagonistke.
Images, sculptures and cats are our metaphorical guides leading us through the history of social inequality and experience of women. So,
and I would like to thank in my name, in Tanya's name. Tanya is not here, but I'm here to take this award, so thank you.
Zdaj pa še Fake Slo nagrada. Avtorica se odloči za pogumen pristop k delu z medijem filma in s pomočjo različnih tehnik odkriva umetniške potenciale kratke forme. Pulzirajoče podobe in zvoki vznemirjajo gledalčeve sinapse
and create whole body experience that pulls us into the memory machine.
I'm really shy and awkward with these kinds of things, so just gonna say thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, the jury, and don't worry, we're all a little bit shy and awkward. It's okay. And now we will continue with the announcements of the international jury. We also have the awards which were made by our friend from Vienna, Thomas Strutz, and were inspired by Kraken's tentacles. Whoa, right? So please join me. Carlos Ramos, the director of Indie Lisboa, Cyril Obestar, the editor of Ekran Film Magazine, and director Jelena Gavrilovic, this year's author in focus in the section's Instant Cult. The stage is yours!
večer, še strani naše žirije. Mi nimamo tako lepega pristopa z suspenzom, tako da bomo žal izdali nagrajence že kar v začetku. S posebno omembo bi v tekmovalnem programu držav z področja Jugoslavije želeli izpostaviti film Nikoline Bogdanović z naslovom Kraj, od koder vam pišem pisma. Intimni portret babičine sestre prikazuje željo po komunikaciji in bližini, ki premaguje oddaljenost prostoru in času.
In a formally very original way, the author is showing us a picture of a non-existing time and place. The film subtly shows the attachment of female protagonists to her household environment and speaks about gender roles and material values of the disappearing middle class. The jury gives a special mention to The Place I'm Writing You Letters From by Nikolina Bogdanović, and Nikolina will say thank you through video. Pozdrav!
To je to. Zdaj pa...
I'm very surprised and happy to get the special mention, and it was a very nice festival, and thank you all.
Nagrado za najboljši film tekmovalnega programa držav z področja nekdanje Jugoslavije podeljujemo filmu Ograja, režiserke Lenide Začiraj, ki gledalcem omogoča potopitev v vsakdan družinskega življenja žensk dveh generacij. V intimnem portretu ženskega dela družine, pozabili smo omeniti malega dečka, ki je ključni protagonist filma, se fluidnost kamere ustvarjalno zoperstavlja razpršeni pozornosti protagonist.
The film portrays intergeneration conflicts, relationships among the genders, races that are unobtrusively woven in conversations of family members. With those topics in the film also touches broader social context. The award for Best Film in competitive program of films from the area of ex-Yugoslavia goes to, surprise, Ograja, Fence by Lidita Zečiraj.
Hello, Ljubljana. I'm Lidita Zečiraj, the director of Fence. She is Nina, the actress of Fence. We are so happy to receive this news today about the award. Sorry for the interruption. I want to thank the festival, the jury members, the audience and everyone there. Have a great evening.
Prihajamo na razdelek Fake Slow. Letošnji izbor, tu imamo kratko uvodno obrazložitev. Letošnji izbor tekmovalnega programa slovenskega kratkega filma je nedvomno nakazal smer, v katero se poskuša festival razvijati, pa tudi tip filmskih avtorjev, ki jih želi opogumljati. Kot žirija smo to usmeritev prepoznali in jo podpiramo. V tem smislu upamo, da bodo nagrade prispevale k svetlejši prihodnosti slovenskega eksperimentalnega filma. Žirijo s posebno omembo nagrajuje film Mašina spomina režiserke Kristine Kokal. Film zapeljuje naš spomin z bogatim plastenjem zvoka in podob, ki si jih običajno težko zapomnimo.
The jury recognized the experimental courage and wanted to award the film for its creative formal solutions, which at the same time address our emotions and our mind.
This is my first time getting awards and special mentions, so I'm getting two. So I'm on a roll today. But yeah, thank you, all of you, and yeah, thanks.
Medtem slovenski film iz tekmovalnega programa podeljujemo filmu Dere Senjas Malibija Tine Ščavniča, v katerem sta občutljivo združena samoportret avtorice in portret mesta. Performativni vidik filma in domišljena kompozicija kadrov ustvarjata edinstven vizualni jezik, medtem ko na spetje prleške tradicionalne pesmi počasi upeljuje melanholijo mesta in oseba v njem.
While the use of the traditional folk song and the protagonists in the film gradually bring us into a state of melancholy. So the jury awards the film In My Younger Days by Tina Čvaničar as the best Slovene film from the competitive section.
Thank you.
Okay. Prosim? Okay. Vi kar ostanite gor, stari, v izi. Sedaj pa, pred razglasitvijo Grand Prixa se nam bo pridružil Samo Jurca, ki bo v imenu Telekinga in Studio Stotke podelil nagrado v vrednosti 3000 evrov postprodukcijskih sredstev. Okej, komu podeljuješ, ali kaj? Okej, jaz tudi ne.
Za tabo je žirija, ne?
Super.
Skratka, glede na to, da se ostali protagonisti ne morejo dogovoriti, se je žirija odločila, da bo glavna nagrada podelila impresivnemu večslojnemu filmu za njegov prispevek k dokumentarnemu vizualnemu pripovedništvu. Film, ki ga odlikuje minimalistična kompozicija portretiranja hiš in ljudi, ki v njih ne živijo, se postopoma dotakne tudi družbene situacije Kosova kot zapuščene domovine in dežele, v kateri bi ljudje želeli živeti, a ne morejo. Problem, ki ni le problem portretirane dežele, ampak je morda tudi univerzalni problem celotne regije. Nagrado prejme film Samirja Karahode Umet.
The jury decided to give Grand Prix award to the impressive multi-layer documentary, which represents a great example of visual storytelling. One of film's qualities is minimalistic composition in portraying the houses and people who don't live in them. The film gradually exposes social situation in Kosovo as a desolated homeland and a country where people would want to live, but they don't. This problem is not just a problem of the depicted country, but is maybe also a universal problem of the whole region. The Grand Prix award goes to film Mess in Between by Samir Karahod.
Thank you, jury. Thank you, FEC, for selecting my film. This is my second award, with my first film, second award, but this is my first award which I'm taking by myself. So this will be an unforgettable moment for all my life. Thank you.
Thank you, jury and Samo. Thank you for your awards and your kind words. And now we get to the climax of the event, a group photo. I would like to invite all the juries, all the award winners, and all of the fake team to come on up to take a group picture so we can commemorate this wonderful event. Come, don't be shy, don't be shy. Yeah. Just wants to see.
This kind of.